What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And so I don't have to yell. I'm going to get the mic over here. I'm trying to play with this to get it to the good thing. But so tonight we're doing a serious video. Is the 2-year bull run over? So either way, if you look at it, the last previous cycles only had a 1-year bull run. So no matter whether it is over now, and that's what we're going to look in right now if the bull run is over. So whether or not it is, though, we have had a year longer than a normal bull run. That's the cool part, right? So we got to go in and look and see, okay, if the bull run is over. So I'm not talking about like bull market and bear market, like how we have like a little, downtrend and then an uptrend. No, I'm talking about take a step back, look over the whole scenery. Are we in a bull run or a bear run? Okay, then we will go in deeper. Are we in a bull market or a bear market? Then go deeper. Are we in a bull trend or a bear trend? All of those are different things. And if you're in crypto, you need to know those 3 different lingos. Okay, we'll go over that because I'm going to try to make my channel more beginner friendly. Because when I make my channel more expert friendly, I don't get as good as of a response, I think. So I'm going to turn my channel more to the beginner, because I think I have a lot to offer the beginner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you 3 different things: a bull run and a bear run. Let's go right into that right now. So a bull run is the overall situation of the market. Not right now. I'm talking about from inception all the way to where we are now. And there has been periods of where the market is on a trend going down for over 300 and some days, or there is a trend when the market is going up. That is what a run we're talking about, the overall long period of time. Then you have a bear market and a bear run. And what that is within those bull runs and those bear runs of the extended period of time, do you have a partial period of time in there where it went one way or another? So a good example of this, let me show you. It's kind of hard for me to just say this. So let me actually show you what I mean in the chart. So let's just get rid of all this stuff right now. Okay? Because this is going to be a beginner friendly. I wish maybe if I just reset this, I think maybe. Nope. Okay. Actually, what if I did this? Sorry, just bear with me 1 minute. I don't want all that stuff on the chart. And I think it would be faster to just start over again. All right, let's just try trade view. Hopefully that worked. I might be wrong and I might stay all there still. But oh, darn it. Okay. Well, that didn't work. They kept all my stuff. So anyway, what I want to show you, so I was able to explain the bull run, but now I want to show you exactly what I mean. And I appreciate all of you being here. At the end, you guys are going to want to stick around, or at least come back at the end of the video, which we're going to try to stick around about 30 to 45 minutes per video, maybe an hour, because we're only doing 1 live stream a day, but we're going to try to keep it fast. So if you want to wait till the end, we have a special announcement at the end that is going to make a lot of people very happy, I believe, and make them want to be part of the channel more. I have a really good reward incentive program. But anyway, let's get right into this because I think this is important even more than the giveaway. So this is the 4-hour. We actually want to be in the daily. So let's go here. Okay, now let's just get rid of all of these things. Just bear with me while I do this, guys. And I never started saying that until Six Big Stock. I heard him say, bear with me, and so now I always say bear with me, even though I'm saying we're in a bear run right now. Actually, so technically I'm not saying we're in a bear run. I'm asking the question, and that's what I should have made it clear. Not that, yes, we are in a bull run. I'm asking that question. Is the 2-year bull run over? Is the 2-year bear run here? I kind of made it sound like, I guess it is. But that's what we're going to be looking at in this video. So, and I want to explain to you, sorry, I'm just getting rid of all of this stuff so that I can give you a better example of what is going on here. And I really want you to understand that it's not that hard to understand what a bull run and what a bull market and what a bull trend is. So they actually have lines for the trend, like a bull trend. They actually have an indicator for that. And I think we'll go look for that as well. You can even see how a market moves from a bull to a bear trend. You can even see it right here. Like this is a bear trend. This is the smallest one I was talking about. We'll get to that in a minute. So I want to show you the overall what I'm talking about with the market. Okay. So we need to zoom out to do that. So let's actually get rid of this RSI too. We want the, this is what I wanted to do. Yeah, baby. So now we have a bigger overview, right? So now if you want to know what a bull run is, this is the bull run. When we started right here, we could say this right here was the beginning of the bull run, right here, July of 2020. And then after that, this is still the bull run. See that? This whole thing is a bull run. Because look from where we are from here when we started here or whatever, we are way higher in this whole period than we were right here. So this whole thing right here is a bull run. Now, let's go look at what a bull market and what a bear market is, okay? A lot of the influencers, they're more for the advanced people. I'm trying to be beginner friendly. So now you have this bull run, right? So when we go up like this, and then we have a retracement, this is still an overall bull run and a bull market. Even this retracement, this is a bull market still, even with this dip. But this would be a bear trend. So now so you know what a bull run is. This overall thing is a bull run. Well, what is a bull market then? Well, a bull market would be this, the smaller. So this whole thing from here all the way to here is the bull run. Well, the bull market is this part, this smaller part, say from right here to right here, and then right here to right here, and then it ends right here. Okay, we're on a constant upward, right? That would be the bull market, where we're going up. Yes, we have retracements in a bear trend, but we're in an overall bear market, in an overall bear run. See, now you're starting to get it. Okay, so now we're going up, and now we have a reversal. Well, now we go from being in a bull market, now we're in a bear market here. This is a bear market in an overall bull run because we are going down, right? And then we're going sideways and down. This is a bear market. We're not doing good compared to what we were, right? And then when we break out of this, now we're in a bull market again. But we were always in a bull run. Even when this was happening, we were in a bear market. We were in an overall bull run still. See how there's bear markets within the bull run. Then you have and then let's move to the last one, the bear trend and the bull trend. Well, as you see, this is a bullish trend right here. We're going up all the way up. Then we have a bearish trend where we start going down. Now that is the little smaller parts are the trends, right? Up and down, up and down. So here's a bull trend, bear trend, bull trend, bear trend, bull trend, bear trend. See? And it does that. So this overall thing right here is a bull run. This smaller part going from here to here is a bull market. Going from here to here is a bear market. Going from here to here is a bull market. Going from here to here is a bear market. Okay, now, are we in an overall bear run? That is what we want to know from here to here. Of course we are. Okay, the thing that happens when we're in a market like this, let's go even further back, okay? So if we are in actual bear run, I will show you what that looks like. Let's go. We need to go back to 2017. Okay, if you want to see a bear run, this is where we would be, right around here. We would go to the previous all-time high. Now, when that happens, okay, you see when this went all the way to the bottom, it actually didn't even go to touch the previous all-time high because the previous all-time high in 2013, 2014 was $1,542. If I believe $1,052 or $1,542. One of those prices. It was like 1,000 something. Well, we went down to only 4,900. So we might not even go back to this. So we actually might have hit the bottom at 28.8. So technically, our new bull or bear run could be at 28.8. We could, okay, so you see how we went way down here and then started the overall bull run right here? Well, in this reset right here, did we reset? Okay, let's reset the whole market then and say, where are we starting from right now? Are we starting a bear run where it's going to go just down, 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 maybe like 23 and then over? That would be a bear run. Okay, if we go to like these prices, see how we stopped at this level before we actually had a breakout to the upside right here? That's because this was the previous all-time high right here. We stopped before that. So if we head down to here, that's the only way I will say we're in a bull run. Okay, so right now we are in a bull run, in a bear market, in a bear trend. Pretty cool, huh? So no, we're not in a 2-year. So what does that tell us? Well, if you go from back here to when we started to have our next bull run and be successful over here, well, this was a long period of time. So you had a 3-year bear run from here all the way over to here before we actually started going up again, right? So about 3 years. Well, if you look at this one, we've been going up nonstop since right here, since the beginning of the ordeal in the world, right here, and we've been going up ever since then. So that to me would be the end of the bear run right here. This would be, so however long that is. Let's look. To me, this is just my opinion. You can have a different one. So from the top over here on, like, let's say December 19th, 2017 to over here March 14th of 2020. So 3 years, almost 3 years. That was almost a 3-year bear run right here. Yeah, it did go up a little bit right here to about 14, which isn't too bad, right? Actually, so it did have some some bull markets in the overall bear run. You see that? So this is a bear run with a bull market in it. You see that? It was an overall bear run because it was still going down after this. You see that? But it had a bull market in the bear run. So you can recognize these. This is a bull market and a bear run. Now the bear run ended here. And this is where the bull run. It didn't start right here. I'm sorry, it started right here. This was the end of the bear run. And now, well, look, we've already gone longer than that now. So if you go from March of 2020 when it started, we are now in March of 2022. 2 years. Almost exactly 2 years of a bull market. This is pretty cool stuff. I didn't even know I was going to be talking about most of this, but that's why when I get a good idea, I just go with it. And so it's not just an idea, it's an overall way to look at the market. So if anybody was worried, and especially with all the stuff going on in the world, you could think, yeah, we're in that place, but we're not. We are in at most a bear market and a bear trend, but we are in an overall bull run until we at least go back down to this level, I'd say, right here. Then we could say, yes, we're in a bear run now. And now we might have little bull pumps, but we're in a bear run. But for right now, we are still in a bull run. So how long is that going to last? Now, that's the next question we need to ask. How long is this going to last? Because we already have 2 years. And what does that mean? So now we only get 2 years of a bear run when it comes, right? Only a 2-year bear market bear run instead of a 3-year like last time. So what happens if we go for 3 years? What if all of 2022 until 2023 continues this bull run? Right? What then? Then it's a 3-year bull run, and a 1-year bear market, right? So, and then you can have the little trends and the little markets inside. But I hope I was able to explain the 3 different ways to look at an overall market. One is the macro view. The second one is the slightly less, but still the wider overview. And then you have the actual trends on which way the crypto is going, up or down. And right now we're actually on a downtrend. So we would want to be looking for a nice reversal, but we're in an overall bear bull run. As you see from right here, we have an upward trending support line that continues. It did go below it about right here, but pretty solid. Pretty solid. Now let's go look at Ethereum, because that's just Bitcoin. Okay, now what happened with Bitcoin today? I do want to show you that real quick. Whatever happened over here. I don't even know if you can see it on this one. Let's actually look at it on here. So we can just show you the Bitcoin hammer that happened today. See that? This is the Bitcoin hammer. When it goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down. That's the Bitcoin hammer. Now, normally you just get kind of like a straight line going down, right? But they figured it out, and I hope it wasn't because of what I said, because I actually spoke about this. I hope they don't know how to do this now because of me, that they already figured it out despite what I said. But as you see, this is why altcoins go down so much. When Bitcoin goes down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, it just smashes altcoins into the ground. So that's why if you look Ethereum right now, it is just horrid. We are in a, let's look at, are we in a bull run? Okay, now are we in a bull run in altcoins now? Or a bear run? Are we in a bull run or a bear run? We're in a bear market. We're in a bear trend. But are we in a bear run? That is the question. The overall market. Is the overall market in a bear run? Well, we would have to zoom out to answer that question. Okay. And Ethereum is still in a bull run. As you see, if we go back to March of 2020, you can see boom. We are in an overall bear run or bull run still. It is still going up. Upward trending support line all the way up. This one actually follows it almost to a T. Look at that. Look at that line. Where support here, boom, 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 support here, support here, support here, support here. That's a pretty cool line from the very bottom to where we are now. I mean, what was the price? It must have been like $30 or something. Yeah, like $20. $20 for an Ethereum back then. You would have 100x your money. Times 10, that would have been 200. Times 100, that would have been 2,000. You would have 100x your money if you bought it 2 years ago. If you bought it, wait a minute, guys. If you bought Ethereum 2 years ago, you would have 100x your money. That is crazy to me. I can't believe that. 100x to the top, not even to the top, just to where we are right now. To the top, it was like 200x. Wow. That's a pretty good perspective to look at. So this is why I say anybody who's held crypto for more than 2 years, 4 years, has made money. Because look, just 2 years ago, this thing was at $20, and now it's at over $2,000. So even the crypto I'm down on my money right now, I am going to hold because I'm waiting. Even if we do go into a bear run, good. You know why I say good for a bear run? Because I'm going to start accumulating as much crypto as I possibly can. The last time we were in a legit bear market back in 2020 over here when I was showing you, this is when I was accumulating. Now, I wasn't accumulating back here. I was accumulating up here, like right here. So that's still a good area. It's still not, it's not the best area. I'm still paying, I was paying like about $200. I only was able to 10x my money. So if I was to buy here, I would have been able to 100x my money. If I would have bought on this day right here. You could either got it for 2021 or 39.05. It went up fast from there, or $1.38. I think it went down to $1.38 at the lowest or something. I don't know. That's weird. Maybe not. But so I don't know what else to show you with this except for I think we can look at the trends maybe. Do they have trends? Super trend? What is that? Okay, yeah, that is what I was looking for. So what I was showing you in the bull run, in the bull market type deal, this is it. This is in a bull run, bear run. Or not run, sorry. Bull market, bear market, or even trend. Bull trend, these are kind of lower areas. But yeah, so this is a bear trend, bull trend, bear trend, bull trend. And you just use this by, I guess it's called super trend. And you can see, we're in a downward trend. And it looks like we started to go back up right here. Yeah, we did. We started to have a turnaround, but now I think it's going back down the other way. So we actually were in a little bit of a bold trend here for a second. You see when we went up here, but now we're back down to where we were. So we kind of had a turnaround. So we might still be in the bullish area. We're still no, we just started a downtrend right here. See that? It's very little, but you can see it. That super trend, that little red thing right there. It means, see, we have a little green over here, but then we have a red right here. So it means we're on our way down, unfortunately. But we have this major level of support right here. So Ethereum is not going to break this level, guys. So I would be putting my orders, I would be buying Ethereum at these prices. I would put in an order at 2,300. It's not going to go below that anytime soon unless Bitcoin breaks 28.8 and goes down to 20. This is not going to break this upward trending support line. You see how far it goes back? This thing is not going to break easy. It's not. So that's a good thing. But as you see, this is going to show you exactly what the market is doing. And that way you're like, okay, well, what is the market doing, guys? I don't know. I can't tell. Well, this tells you. It was starting to go up, and then we had this stupid whatever just happened. Probably more stuff going on in the other side of the world, that's affecting us. So just stay strong, everybody. I hope you're having a good day. I am looking at the chat. I do see a couple people here. What's up, Six Figs? Good to see you, my guy. It's always good to see you here, man. But yeah, this is good stuff, man. It is. And I just want more people to understand it because if I didn't explain it, I probably, would have a hard time understanding. If it wasn't me who already knew, I'd probably have a hard time understanding it, right? So I just want to put it in ways that you guys can get in an easy and methodical way. And then, you don't always have to come to me, be like, oh, well, man, Jeff isn't around, but I want to know, are we in a bull trend, a bear trend or a bull trend? Well, how do you figure out? Just come over here to either market, Coin Market Cap. I think CoinGecko has it. Maybe Bitstamp, wherever you're looking at. Just go up into the indicators. Boom. Type in just trend, and then you'll see that super trend thing come up, and bam, just hit that thing out. Boom, and you got it. So we're gonna be doing more stuff like this, just overall fundamentals, and taking a broader outlook on what crypto is doing. And I think that's going to be the major place where we're going to profit off of crypto, because we're going to know, in a larger scenario what crypto is doing, even as a beginner, because I'm appealing to beginners, but some of this stuff works for pros as well. But I'm basically appealing to the beginner because I really want to show people how to get out of the gate, because that's what I did so successfully. And so, I appreciate that. Now, Six Fig Stock Trader, he does Ichimoku clouds, and I don't know what indicator. I don't want to go steal his stuff, but yeah, go check out his channel. If you want to see Ichimoku clouds, go over and check out Six Fig Stocks, because that's his deal. He loves doing that, but I do kind of want to get the Bollinger Band out here and get the band back together. Get the Bollinger Band back together. Yeah, we're below the median price on the Bollinger right now. Things are looking a little bit, dapper right now. But if you look at the overall, we just started on a downtrend again. So really, we're up compared to where we were. I mean, a little while ago, we were down at like 21, and then we were also down at 22. So sitting up here at 25, yeah, it's not the best, but technically we're not doing too bad. I mean, we're not doing great, but we're holding strong. If we hold these levels, and Bitcoin doesn't keep going down like it is, I mean, it's just dropping. Then we're going to be okay. It probably go back down. I say we actually test 30 on Bitcoin. I think we're going to go down and test 32 or 31 before we really head up. I think we really need to just be so freaking over or undersold and so much buying pressure, that it just sends us slinging up like a rocket that we're just going to blast off. And I think that's what it's going to take, is just one major boom after it shakes everybody out. Because after shaking us out so many times, there's not very many weak hands left in the market right now. It's only basically strong diamond hands in the market right now. And if you are holding, you are a diamond hander, even if you're a beginner. You could be a beginner and diamond handed at the same time, which just means you don't let the market decide what you sell it for. You decide what you sell it for. And if the market doesn't come to you, you don't sell it, right? We are in an overall bull run. Why would you panic? Look where we were in 2020. Look where we are now. Look where we were in 2021. And look where we are now. We're basically in kind of the same place we were back then, right? A little bit higher, actually. So, yeah, look at that 36 right there. That was almost one of the tops. And the very first top in 2021 was about 40,000. And we're sitting kind of above that as support. So things are looking good, even though like the immediate short term, it does look bad. Look at this. We're consolidating. We're pushing sideways. We're kind of pushing into like a short squeeze here, and it looks like it could just drop us at any minute, right? But we have this nice, big, big, big support level right here. So I think things are a lot better than it looks on the surface. So that's all I wanted to say, guys. I think we're gonna cut it right there. I just want to show you everything that I was thinking of, what I saw today, and just take a step back sometimes. Sometimes we have to look at the overview and why. So I'm telling you, 2-year bull run is officially over now. 2-year bear market begin. Why did I put that? Because that's how everybody's thinking right now. That's the mindset of the world. I'm just making the title the mindset of the world. And then you come in here and I show you that's not true. Because only the people who come in and look for the truth come and find it, right? So I'm trying to show you the mindset of everybody and how we need to overcome that. Even though everybody's telling you this, the media, the world, everything that's telling you, yeah, crypto is just going down. You're not going to make money because nobody's made money in the last 4 months. Well, NFTs. There's got to be others like DeFi, stable coins, staking. This is when when you're a crypto investor and you have a bear market time like this is when you need to put all your skills to work for you. Yeah, a 6-figure stock trader, he mines crypto. So if you can get your hands on a miner, start mining some crypto. Start staking your crypto that you have. Turn some of your crypto, or some of your cash into stable coins. And then put your stable coins in one of the markets to let it give you passive income. That way, when the market's going down, you're accumulating. You can use some of that money you're making from staking, from passive income, to buy the dips on these cryptos that are going down and just accumulate dollar cost average, because eventually we'll be in a bear market again in the overall bull run. Or we'll be in I always mess it up. We're in an overall bull run in the overall, or an overall bull market in an overall bull run. Sorry, my brain is just not working right. But that's what we're going to be looking forward to. And eventually we're going to see the graph over $1. We're going to see Algorand above $2 again. We're going to see Bitcoin at 60,000 again and Ethereum at $4,000. So that's not necessarily in the next week or two. It could happen in the next couple months. It could be 2 years from now. But what we're doing is accumulating wealth for the future. And in the meantime, we're staking, we're buying NFTs, and we're making our money work for us. So let's get into the questions if you guys have anything going on with that. Thanks for smashing the like button, guys. I definitely want to catch 6 Figs while he goes live next time. So I know you're taking a break right now, but whenever you do go live, I want to catch you. I love hanging out with you guys. I like watching other people's lives too. It's like I love doing live, and so it makes me like have an appreciation for other people's stuff. And this week my teeth I don't know if it's gonna be Monday or Friday, but I'll have my teeth fixed this week. It's probably I'll be in a good mood all week probably because of that. So who knows? I might even find the girl of my dreams too. So, and then I'll be living the life that you guys all want to live. No, just kidding. I wish the best for all of you. I hope you all live the life that God has for you. I wish they would fix this bug. YouTube keeps going back to light mode. Oh, okay. Amy Spar, we're in a prolonged correction. Use adjusted for crypto. We're in wave 4 of the correction. We should go up after wave 5. Hey, I don't know who Amy Spar is, but I hope so. Like, I don't know what this Elliott wave theory is, but I might have to go look into it. I'm leery with what some people say because they might just be trying to like scam me. But I'll go check it out. Like it deserves a couple minutes of my time. That Elliott wave. Let's go look what the Elliott wave theory is. Let's go check it out. Let's see if this is BS or not, because I don't want you to like go look at it and get scammed or something. I don't think you would, but Elliott wave theory. Okay, there we go. That's what we're looking for. The Elliott wave theory is a theory in technical analysis used to describe price movements in the financial market. The theory was developed by Ralph Nelson Elliott after he observed and identified reoccurring fractal wave patterns. Waves can be identified in stock price movements, and in consumer behavior. Investors trying to profit from a market trend could be described as riding a wave. A large, strong movement by homeowners to replace their existing mortgages with new ones at better terms is called a refinancing wave. Okay. Key takeaways. The Elliott wave theory is a form of technical analysis that looks for recurrent, long-term price patterns related to persistent changes in investor sentiment and psychology. The theory identifies impulse waves that set up a pattern and corrective waves that oppose the larger trend. And that's exactly kind of what we were talking about. See, I notice these things. I don't know what they are. I see them in my mind. I see them in the chart. And then, they show me that there's something here that's real that I just figured out with no training. No training, just watching, looking, observing, learning, reading, researching. Each set of waves is nested within a larger set of waves and adhere to the same impulse or corrective pattern, which is described as a fractal approach to investing. So I always wondered what people were talking about with fractals. And so now I'm kind of understanding that a little bit better, a larger set of waves. So it's like the larger overview. Like this fractal is a bullish fractal right here. From here to here, it's a bullish fractal. This area is nothing but bullish right here. You have one, these little areas, but they're always moving up. So I would say that's a bullish fractal. And from here, I would say this is a bearish fractal. And so what that is the bear market, bull market. They're just taking a trend and turning it into a whole section, I think. That's what they're talking about. So she's saying something about a fourth and a fifth wave. So I don't know if we look here. Well, you could say that this was wave one, wave two, wave three, wave four, and then we'd be waiting for a wave five. I mean, that's how I would look at it. I can kind of see that just in my own, like 1, 2, 3, 4 big pump moves. I mean, I don't know if you would count this one, but maybe you do. Yeah, I mean, it's the first big move before a correction. So, and it's on its own kind of. I know it looks kind of like the thumb to this hand, but it is its own kind of area, which if you look, this area used that as support on the way up before we went up again, right? So I would say yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we haven't had the fifth one yet. And so I don't know if that's the way they're talking about, or she could be talking about downward waves. And if you're talking about that, you got 1 here, 2, 3, 4, and then if we go up again and then have another downward, and then after, that's what I think this lady was talking about is the downward fractals and in the Elliott wave theory. I'm just guessing. I don't know what this is or anything, but so I would say 1, 2, 3, and then a fourth big one right here, right? So yeah, just about 4, and then if we go up and then have another down one. I don't know if we need another wave of down though. We'll see. I hope not, but if it is, then it'll just take longer to recover. This is all new territory for us, so we will kind of go with the flow. And I'll probably do a little more research on stuff like that, but like I said, I want to do stuff for mainly beginners. And if I can, tell you in a beginner-friendly way, then we will. But if not, we probably won't go too deep into Elliott wave theory. But I wanted you to get an overall understanding of how we look at the market when it's moving. If we're in a bull run, so I want you to understand what I'm saying when I say it. That's why I'm doing that. So a bull run means all the way from 2020 all the way to where we're at right now. That's the overall bull run. The bull market is when we started going from 10,000 up to 60,000, and then we would go down again to the 30,000 level. And then every time we move up, those are the bear bull markets when we move up. And then when we move down, that's the bear markets the whole time. Now, when you go up and down in like a week or less, or maybe even 2 weeks or less, then I would say that is a trend. So you have your overall bull run, you have your smaller market, bear market, bull market, and then you have the tinier trends. So that's just the 3 things you need to know. I really am going to be focusing on understanding crypto and knowing your crypto. And just understanding what you're doing, that gives you more control over it. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang! Oh, no, I can't go yet. Sorry. Well, we're just going to do this. I need to tell you guys, sorry, about the contest that we're going to be doing. We are going to give out 1 clue every single day. So tomorrow will be the first clue. And I'm going to, in the middle of the stream sometime, when I'm moving from one thing to another, I'm just going to say, okay, we're going to stop right here. I'm going to give you the clue. It'll only be for like 2 seconds. I'll give you the clue. And then 1 stream per week, I will give you a special clue. And you're going to need to get all 7 of the regular clues. And then if you want to get the special clue, it'll be once a week. And you have to collect 4 of those in a month in order to get a big prize, either $20 or a $60 NFT. And it might be worth a lot more than 60, who knows? So you're going to want to watch every day. You're going to want to get those weekly ones because that's like a $5 prize. And that's just pretty, cut and dry. And then you're going to want to get those bigger ones, which I might even give away hundreds of dollars. Especially if you're active and you get all 4 of those. That means you were watching all of my videos. So I'm going to reward you for it. All right, guys.